Like, share, subscribe, comment, turn on the notification bell. Thank you.
Welcome guys to Miss Valrie Can Help. Today I'll be folding fitted sheet, flat sheet, and the bed skirting. So just to let you all know, you can use someone along with you to do it instead of you doing it by yourself, okay? So I have someone here with me, which is Deshannae. She's gonna come and help me to fold so I can demonstrate to you all how it is done. All right, so let me grab the fitted sheet. Here you go, Deshannae.
Thank you.
So we're gonna open the turn it. We're gonna open the fitted sheet, turn it around so this part we grab the corners, okay, and you push your finger in like this.
All right, so just so you know, guys, whatever we do on one side, the person is doing it on the other side. So we're working in unison, meaning we're working together. So these parts, I promise you, I'm not showing you middle fingers, guys. These are my index fingers. These are the part that you would normally put over the edge of your mattress. So that's where our fingers are. Okay, so I want you to follow us. We're going to go really slow, we're going to go really easy so we can help you fold it for the sheet. We're not rolling anything anymore, guys. We're going to fold it properly this time. Okay, watch us and let us show you how. Okay, so we have the edges, we're meeting at the tip here. We're meeting, see that? We're meeting at the tip.
And then you hold the tip.
There we go. We have our finger on the tip. The other hand is away, and we're shaking right here, the tip. I'm not giving you the middle finger, guys. It's the index finger.
So I'm gonna hold this part of it at the tip with your hands like this, and you're gonna bring it down, grab it like this so it matches.
You see that? This is how it looks. See, we're holding the ends.
And then you're gonna bring this end, close it into this end. Then you're
You
gonna
see that?
use your
This is how it
hand.
looks now, guys.
Use your hand to get it straight like this. See? You're gonna flip it over, and then you're gonna close it in like that, and you hold it. Then you use your tip finger, and then you just do this.
See that? This is how it looks, guys. See that? Nice and neat. That's why I say doing this with someone is really helpful. Sometimes we can't do it on our own, but we have to use someone to get it like this.
Exactly.
But we do have a video where we do it by ourselves, just in case you don't have someone on hand to help you with this, okay?
But if you have someone on hand, it's best to get someone to help you do it. It's much easier and fast. Okay?
Yes.
And put your hold it like this,
Okay.
and then you just put your hands so you have both ends, and then you bring it in, and then you bring this part in. You can fold over here, bring it over like that.
Yep.
And then just bring it like this. All right. So this is the fitted shape.
Now we're going to go into the flat sheet. This is a sheet that you would put on top of the fitted sheet. This is a bit longer, guys. So just so you know, even though you're not going to see me, just know that whatever you're seeing being done on one end is being done on the other end.
Because it based on the type of sheet, because you know the flat sheet, the double sheet is much smaller. The king size and the queen size, they are much longer. So this one is a king size, so that's why it's much longer. Okay.
So we have them open like this. Then we meet the ends.
A bit
Do it
neat.
again.
Use your finger
It's basically repetition, guys.
and fold it. Again. See, nice and neat.
Last but not least, we're going to put on the skirting for the bed. Now, this is the part that some people have and some people don't have, but we like it because it adds to the overall appearance of your bed. Just like how I said about the towel folding, it adds to your bed. I figure that this also does that too. So this is our color. We had pink. I had pink on my bed before. Now I have a gray. So we're gonna fold this, okay?
Get the two ends. Where the two ends go.
Just so
I
you
did
know,
this part.
just so you know that this comes with a curved end that goes to the bottom of your bed, while it's a straight edge that is at the top of your bed. Okay, so my mom has the curved edge and I have the straight edge. Whatever is done on one end is being done on this end that you're seeing. So we're bringing them together like so.
This part.
So the ruffles are laying over. We only have the white part that we folded. So the ruffles are hanged over.
Look again.
All right, you got it, guys? So now we're gonna just, you see how it flows? Just like this. So now
But
we're
this
gonna,
one, it's a little different. You have to bring this in
mhm,
like this for it to match. And then you move like this.
inwards. So I keep it very firm and watch her go in. Okay, here we go. All right, guys. So thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to Miss Valrie Can Help. Miss Valrie, take it away.
Okay. Thank you guys. Like, share, and subscribe to Miss Valrie Can Help. Thank you.